Primetime news this evening. Police say St. Catherine man killed in security operation on Thursday was a Klansman gangster. Guessing game. Motorists curious what toll for Maypen to Williamsfield leg of Highway 2000 will be. An environmental watch group concerned by cases of pollution by government agencies.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. And if you're watching online at onespotmedia.com, I'm Herman Green.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrea, the Inter-American Development Bank, IDB, has published its latest data looking at exports, and apparently the region is sending out less services. So I'll have the details a little later on.
All right, thanks, Javon. From Javon to Spencer Darlington, he'll tell us what's coming up in Primetime Sports. Spencer?
Thank you, Herman. Well, two former champions have narrowed the gap on the Ray and the Nephew Jamaica Premier League leaders after the latest round of matches. We'll have the details in Primetime Sports later.
Thank you, Spencer. And we're still feeling the cool temperature, even here in the studio. Romaine Robinson, what more can you tell us about the weather?
Thanks, Andrea. Yes, we are experiencing quite cool conditions across most of the island, and conditions are expected to get cooler this weekend. We do have a frontal system that is expected to be in the area. I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
All right, and there's also sports commentary E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, here is our feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, what should be the toll rate for the new Maypen to Williamsfield leg of the highway for a Class 1, 2, or 3 vehicle?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, or tweet at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.